In today's video, we'll be talking about how to hide your friend list on Facebook. If you don't want the public to see the friends you have on Facebook, this video tutorial will show you how you can be able to hide your friends for people not to see. So for you to hide your friends on Facebook using your Facebook mobile app, all you need to do is to first log into your Facebook. Using your Facebook mobile app, you click on the gear button down right on your Facebook, then you scroll down, you move to settings and privacy, you click on the drop down, then you click on settings, you scroll down, you click on how people find and contact you. Here you select who can see your friend list. As you can see, mine is currently on public. You can make it to be visible to only your Facebook friends. You can make it to be visible to some of your Facebook friends and accept some. You can specify friends that you want to see your friends list alone. You can specify only me. That's for only you to be seeing your Facebook friends. So that is it. If you want to, anyone you want to select, if you want it to be visible to public, you can make it visible to public. So guys, that is it on how to hide your friend list on Facebook. I just want you guys to do one thing for me, to do me a favor. Please guys, subscribe to my channel for you to be getting more and more of my social media videos and tech guides. I would love to see you guys in our next video. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell on. See you guys and have a nice day.